FTX founder Sam Bankman Fried was arrested by Bahamian authorities this evening after the United States Attorney for the Southern District of New York shared a sealed indictment with the Bahamian government, setting the stage for extradition in U.S. trial for the one-time crypto billionaire at the heart of the crypto exchange's collapse. Bankman Fried was expected to testify before the House Financial Services Committee on Tuesday. His arrest is the first concrete move by regulators to hold individuals accountable for the multi-billion-dollar implosion of FTX last month. Damian Williams, the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of New York, said on Twitter that the federal government anticipated moving to unseal the indictment in the morning. Bahamas Attorney General Ryan Pinder said that the United States was likely to request his extradition. In a statement, Bahamian Prime Minister Philip Davis said, "The Bahamas and the United States have a shared interest in holding accountable all individuals associated with FTX who may have betrayed the public trust and broken the law." While the United States is pursuing criminal charges against SBF individually, the Bahamas will continue its own regulatory and criminal investigations into the collapse of FTX, with the continued cooperation of its law enforcement and regulatory partners in the United States and elsewhere, continued the statement. Bahamian regulators and FTX's attorneys have been engaged in a bruising battle in chambers and in the court of public opinion. Earlier Monday, FTX attorneys accused the Bahamian government of allegedly working with Bankman Fried to spirit away FTX assets from company control and into crypto wallets controlled by Bahamian regulators. Bankman Fried's arrest by Bahamas law enforcement, as well as his expected extradition, suggests that close cooperation between the Bahamas and the U.S. will continue to evolve throughout the bankruptcy proceedings. The Bahamas and the United States have had an extradition treaty in place since the early 20th century, when the Bahamas was still under British control. The current treaty was signed in 1990 and requires that the requesting party provide an arrest warrant issued by a judge or other competent authority. Legal experts say that if the federal government pursues wire or bank fraud charges, that Bankman Fried could face life in prison without the possibility of supervised release.